color. I thought that this week I would try something new and take you all to an exhibit. Right now, the exhibit Soul of a Nation is up at the Museum of Fine Arts Houston, and despite the pandemic and distance, you all are gonna get to see it. So, let's go! Art in the Age of Black Power is an exhibit celebrating the vital contributions Black artists made over 2 decades, beginning in 1963 at the height of the Civil Rights Movement. In this video, I'm going to wander around so y'all can see things, but also talk about a few works. Catlett, an African-American graphic artist and sculptor well known for her depictions of the Black experience as well as its intersection with feminism. Black unity, made of cedar, reads as black skin, a fist raised in solidarity. Catlett once remarked, "After I decided to be an artist, the first thing I had to believe was that I, a Black woman, could penetrate the art scene, and that further, I could do so without sacrificing one iota of my Blackness or my femaleness or my humanity." These hanging sculptures are by Melvin Edwards. Melvin Edwards began his Lynch Fragments series a year after the Los Angeles police shot and killed Nation of Islam member Ronald Stokes. This section of the exhibit highlights Black artists from Houston. I was pointing a lot because I wrote the labels for 3 works featured here, including John Bigger's Oarsman and Kermit Oliver's Madonna. for joining me on this journey. If you like this type of video, please leave a thumbs up. And I'm still going back over comments for suggestions on different artists I could talk about. Thanks for coming along. Until next time, bye!